Sometimes transplant teams have to go above and beyond the call of duty to complete a kidney chain successfully. Here's a technical look at just one example with 20 surgeries, 11 transplant centers, and repairs to 4 broken links in the chain.
This year's Grace Under Pressure Award goes to the roller coaster chain. And now to tell a story about this chain. On November 30th, we experienced 2 swap failures. One caused by a recipient who became ill, and the other caused by an unexpected final cross-match failure. 20 surgeries were at risk. Repair number 1. When swap number 1 failed, the tamper donor in position 3 agreed to bridge in order to give us time to repair the chain. They were quickly matched in a new Mayo clinic pair for the following week. We then took the stranded O non-directed donor from the failed swap number 2 to match the Penn recipient and reboot chain number 1. After the repair was made, Penn reported a virtual cross-match failure in position 4, causing the chain to break again. Repair number 2. Next, we found a pair at Madison that could replace the Penn pair. Karen made all the arrangements, and the pair drove many hours to come in for the pre-op while Kay at Mayo was arranging for the new blood draw for another final cross-match. It was 4:24 p.m. on Friday when the Madison pair showed up for pre-op, and the donor's BMI had increased dramatically, and they were no longer a candidate for donation. Repair number 3. An additional backup plan had been working in parallel using a pair at Brigham in case there was a problem with the Madison pair. Blood samples for the final cross-match were drawn on Monday, so Brigham could run the final cross-match on Tuesday. At about 7 p.m. on Tuesday, the night before the scheduled surgery date, Brigham reported an unexpected cross-match failure. The chain had broken again. The following day, a separate 3-way loop experienced an unexpected failure. The Sharp pair in position 2 decided to donate via the ADP program, converting the loop into a chain, freeing up an O blood type donor at UCLA to continue the chain as a bridge donor. Repair number 4. The UCLA bridge donor was matched with a Brigham patient, allowing us to rescue the roller coaster chain that had experienced a total of 4 swap failures in 3 business days prior to swap commencement.
I'm just going to say we're honored. We don't do these things for the honor of doing it. We do it to help our patients. And this just is icing on the cake. So thank you all for being here and doing what you do.